What's up YouTube fam, it's your boy J Will back at it again with another tutorial. And in today's video I got this hot new VST. It's a trap VST that you can use in all your beats. This thing is a banger. So for one, what I'm gonna need you to do is subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. What are you doing? Hit that like button if you're liking what you're seeing, and also hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time that we upload a new video. Also, I just released the new melody pack, so you can get that download down in the description below. Make sure you hit that ASAP. Any questions? Bring in the hook. All right, YouTube fam, so we are here in FL Studios, and for this trap VST, it's going to be called Iota Mini. Now this VST is completely free. You can download it today, and I'll leave the link in the description where you can cop that ASAP. It has very high quality sounds. It's just all around. Matter of fact, the beat that you heard in the intro, that's the actual beat that I made with Iota. So let's get into what everything sounds like. So they have sounds, they have 808s, they have drum kits, they have all that. Let's see exactly what all they have. So you can go to the presets here. You can see they have 808s, they have bass, bells, guitars, keys, pads, synths, and trap drum kits. So those are a little bit of the things that come with this as well. Overall, give it about a 9 out of 10. The only reason I give it a 9 out of 10 is because they can add a little bit more sounds to it, but you also have the option of purchasing more sounds for this actual VST. Just to show you what some of the sounds sound like, we're gonna go over here to bells and just let you hear some of it. So yeah, that's very high quality. Pretty good. You know, this is just some of the sounds, and there's a lot of good sounding sounds in here as well. Take your time as you go through them and everything, because just take your time, listen to all of them if you want to. And this is going to be part of a new series that I'm going to do, free VSTs. Yeah, so this is going to be like a new series of VSTs, free VSTs at that, so that for people who just don't really want to spend the money right now on VSTs, they can go ahead and get these free ones and see exactly. And I'm only going to put up like good ones. Yeah, I'm only going to put up good ones. Here's some guitars. No, just a few. And as far as that, I like how they sound as well as of right now. Here's some keys. And then, yeah, definitely. Now, if you want me to make a new beat using this, just leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll be glad to. And if you want to hear me make a beat out of it and just show you my process. So there's some keys right there. Go to some pluck. That's pretty good. So, yeah, and this is, like I said, it's a trap VST. Has a lot of melodic sounds in it. It comes with 50 sounds overall, but you can buy like an extra 150. But like I said, to download this completely free, I'll leave the link down in the description. The plugins by Angelic Vibes. And like I said, this is part of my new series. This episode 1. So I'm gonna only be releasing 5 plugins that are completely free. I'm not gonna be doing no trash plugins. I may do a new series of trash plugins, but overall, this is one of my top ones of the free ones that I already have. But other than that, if you like the whole video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, And also, man, just appreciate everyone for supporting me so far. If there isn't anything else, peace.